Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install a Eero 6 router for fast Wi-Fi coverage, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Eero 6 router and ensuring you have all the necessary components. Find a suitable location for your router, ideally in a central position within your home. Connect the power adapter to the Eero 6 unit and plug it into an electrical outlet. Using an Ethernet cable, connect the Eero 6 to your modem or existing internet source. Press the button on the back of the Eero to power it on. Download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and create an Eero account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the app's prompts to begin the setup process. When prompted, grant the app permission to use your device's location for optimal setup. The app will search for your Eero 6 unit. Select your device when it appears. Choose the type of internet connection you have when asked, then follow the on-screen instructions. Set up your Wi-Fi network name and password for your Eero network. Once you've configured your settings, the app will guide you to complete the installation. Allow the app to perform a quick check to ensure everything is connected correctly. If desired, you may add additional Eero units to expand your network coverage. Follow the app's prompts to position any additional Eeros for optimal performance. After setup is complete, test your Wi-Fi connection in various locations throughout your home. Make any necessary adjustments to the placement of your Eero units for better coverage. Explore the app features to manage your network settings, including parental controls and guest access. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your Eero 6 router for fast Wi-Fi coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.